Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add website shortcut icon to the home screen on Vivo Y21s. And to do this, first we'll need to open our Google Play Store and inside open a website that you want to add as your shortcut. In this case, let's go for our own website, HardReset.Info. Then click on this three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Here select add to home screen. Now you can name the icon however you like. I'm gonna leave it as it is and select add. Here you can see the size of the icon and let's add it automatically. If we go to our home screen, it should be placed as the last visible icon right here, and if you click on it, it should instantly open this website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.